Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, in this video here, I'm going to be harvesting the ranunculus, and we're going to be doing an arrangement. This is one of the first ranunculus that I had blooming. I have more coming here, and I have more coming elsewhere. There's one behind my mom there, and see that beautiful flower there. So my Avi ranunculus, they did start setting buds to bloom. This year is a matchy here. This was one of the first ones that started blooming here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut this stem down as far as I can. And I have a nice pair of clean, sharp pruning shears. There we go. See our gorgeous flower here. We're going to take this out. Anything white that you see on here is diatomaceous earth. We were having an issue with ants and aphids, so the plants were treated with diatomaceous earth to get rid of the ants and aphids. So I'm just going to grab a stem of eucalyptus here, because I think that's like the last thing that I'm missing for my arrangement. Let's see here if I can find one that I like. This one here. There we go. That should be sufficient there. Here, this here I already have in water, and we're going to come over here. Let me cut this here. 45-degree angle. There we go. I'm going to stick this in water here real quick, and we're going to come over here, and we're going to put together a nice little bouquet. Okay, so this is my vase here. I have it filled with nice, fresh, clean water. It is a clean vase. I already stuck some things in it. My Dusty Miller wilts very quickly, so I wanted to get that in water, and I went ahead and put the ranunculus in water, and I cut the stems at a 45-degree angle. So I have some other stuff back here. We're going to grab our eucalyptus here. We're going to strip off any leaves that would be under the water so we don't cause any issues with any type of bacteria growing. My stem is cut here at a 45-degree angle as soon as I can get the pruners at the right spot. There we go. And what that'll do is that'll allow for my stems to take up the water. Oh. Now it's time to get some more color in here. Look at these beautiful statuses. All different colors here. And let's see, we're going to grab some purples here. Stripping off all the lower leaves here. Don't want that under water, or yeah, I don't want that under water. I'm just going to set this in here. Go. Recut this one here because I want it a little bit shorter. Whoops, hold on here. My leaves got caught. This here. Angle up there. And stick this in here. Don't want to damage my ranunculus. So let's grab some more purples here. Pretty one here. It's a different shade here. This in right over here. Oh, look at how pretty that is. putting in some different levels here, or some different heights. Go. And kind of rearranging this as I'm putting it together. Oh, pretty. Oh. Let's see here. I want this one to come in right about here, so I'm going to cut it right about here. Because my ranunculus is like my center focal point, so I'm just putting some extra little things in here. Right, yes, perfect. Worked in right there. We still have the ranunculus here as our main center focal point there. Don't want that leaf on there. Work this around just a little bit here. One more from the front. Let's see, this one here is going to be. 45-degree angle cuts on all of your stems. You want to definitely make sure that you do that, because what that'll actually do is it allows your stems to uptake your water in, which is exactly what we want. If your stems are flat against the bottom, it's like a straw. They can't take the water up in, and then you're going to lose your bouquets really quick. So I'm going to go grab one more piece of Dusty Miller, and then we're going to be done. So let me go grab that real quick, and I'll be right back. Some more. So I went and I got some more Dusty Miller here, and I'm going to cut 45-degree angle here. Decided I wanted 2 more pieces, and we're just going to work these right into the front here. Just working this stem down into the water here. Sometimes they don't always want to cooperate with you, so you kind of got to work with them a little bit. There we go. And you know what? We're going to put in one more piece of purple status, or this lighter color purple here. Yeah, this is going to be pretty. Let's see here. That should be the right height right there. Should be the right height. I'm just going to work this one here right in. One more piece in the back. The lower leaves there. We're just going to stick this one in here. I'll work it in through. Yep, all of my stems are in, and there we go. This is our first live cut flower bouquet of 2023. We have a ranunculus here as our center point. We used beautiful status here, and we used Dusty Miller. We have our little piece of eucalyptus here, and this was all grown on the flower farm here and harvested out of the greenhouses. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how to put together your own arrangement here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you that when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!